Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty traders, so we're going to have a look at silver and gold in this video, and it's really interesting to see what's going on with silver and gold as we speak through here, right? So on the short term, we're still getting this very nice downward trend here. And it's interesting, right? Like a lot of people say technical analysis doesn't work. It's like, how could the market respect it? How could the market respect it where it is right now in this nice big downward channel through here? So we're looking at that level through there, aren't we? But as you can see, we also have this level through here. So in the past few videos, in the past few weeks, I've been talking about, is this going to be some sort of false breakout, or are we likely to continue? We're still waiting for confirmation, but the confirmation is going to tell me whether this is a false breakout or whether it's just a pause and a run in a nice downward trend for the short term anyway. The weekly chart, forget the weekly chart for in this video. We're just looking at the daily chart here, okay? So lower high, this could be some sort of lower high through here. But if we do start to get a candle that comes and has a nice break back above here, that tells me that this is just a nice little false breakout, and then we're likely to run back up towards these highs up here at 1340. Not straight away. It might, we may get something like this. Where the market runs up and then it goes sideways for a couple of days, runs up, a little bit of a pullback. That's how the markets work, okay? I don't want you to expect that when I say something like that, that it's just going to go bam, 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 straight up. It may do that, but it's unlikely that that's going to happen. So when we're looking at also the silver market as well too, what do we see with silver? Silver's doing, again, very just meh, right? But you can see, look at this here. Look at that trend line coming down through there for the last couple of months. Look at all that resistance all through there. And it's rejecting it once again through here as well too. So we're still getting, it's a downward trend, but I see how it's weak. It's like down, sideways, down a little bit, up a little bit, down a little bit, up a little bit. It's like we're not getting any strength in the metals right now. So that whole selling may go away is starting to take effect even on the metals. So the interesting thing is that, where's this market heating up? Like, we know we're likely to go into a recession. Either we're going to start the recession either at the end of this year or going into 2020. We know we're probably within 12 months of starting the recession. And remember, a recession, a crash in the markets takes 12 months. So don't freak out. Don't try and pick a top. Don't try and pick a bottom. All that sort of stuff. You will be able to get an opportunity to trade. If you want to trade the downside, you will get an opportunity. Don't expect this thing to drop 20% overnight, because it's probably not going to happen, okay? Due to the algorithms and all that sort of stuff that happens in the markets, you're probably not going to get that, okay? So just be careful. Don't be trading based on fear or fear of missing out. So that's what I'm seeing there right now. And once again, the same with silver is that silver actually had a big, strong support and resistance level through here, went sideways, had a little bit of a drop down, and now we're just slowly cooling down. So silver is on a bit of a meh. It's just not giving any strong indication. Still slowly on the downside. So the sellers are in control on the short term. But it'd be really interesting to see, once again, the same with gold, is if we do start to see a nice, something like this here, a nice break above that $15 level, that'll say this whole thing was a big false breakout, and then we're likely to run back up probably to the $16 level. Hey traders, thanks so much for watching my YouTube video. What I want you to do right now is I want you to head on down to Master Trader Lab, because in the brand new Master Trader Lab, you're going to learn the unknown but powerful secret pathways, chart reading strategies, 7-figure trading secrets, trading systems, millionaire mindset, and so much more to help you become a master trader without spending 15 years trying to figure it all out. Over the last 15 years of trading these markets, I've put everything that has made a massive difference to my mindset, to the chart reading, to everything you can think about to help you to become a much better trader, or what I call a master trader. So head on down to mastertraderlab.com or click on that very first link in the description. Go to that right now and grab your free trial to the brand new Master Trader Lab. Go do that right now.